The Properties tab combines administrative settings with advanced development tools. If a designer has advanced coding knowledge in CSS, they can create custom classes for individual elements and blocks using the Custom Classes input field. Once a class is applied to an element or block, they can then go to the Dev Tools via the bottom navigation here in the Layout tree and write their customized CSS. Do know that there will be some default classes applied to elements and blocks, and it's important to keep those classes applied to have the element or block perform properly. The Lock Type dropdown allows for designers to lock down certain elements, containers, or blocks from being able to be edited. Maybe a group leader doesn't want their designers to edit a particular navigation element or block. Well, they can partially lock the sidebar from being accessible or fully lock down the entire element so the designer can no longer edit the content of the element on page as well. At the element level, you can also customize the element in the following ways. Has editable background will allow for the element's background to be edited. Lock from deleting will take away a designer's ability to delete the element. If you are editing a block or container, you have even more options. Make Block Linkable allows for clicking anywhere on the block to link out to an external site, launch a registration form, or scroll to another section on the page, for example. To apply this, let's click into a container and select Make Block Linkable. Now on screen, as we hover our mouse over the container, you see a little link icon populates. Clicking that will allow you to link the container to open the registration form, scroll to a section on the event page, or link out to an external URL. So let's have this container link out to splashthat.com, and then view the page as a guest. Voila! If a user clicks anywhere in this container now, they can link out to someplace else. Match Children Height activates height matching for the child elements in the container or block. The last option available to edit in the Properties tab is the Page Element dropdown. The Page Element allows designers to set individual elements or blocks as dynamic elements that include event title, event description, event image, event hostname, and event hashtag. So, for example, if I clicked on this headline and decided to tag it as Page Element Event Title, you can see it automatically updates on page to what has been established dynamically in the event settings. Unfortunately, nothing inside the Properties accordion can be customized individually on mobile and tablet, only desktop.